And hello again, everyone. Sports Cards Austin here with our new setup. So let's see how it works. It may or may not be delayed. I'm not sure. I'm gonna work out the kinks and everything still. Got a new microphone. So let's see what we got. We got some other things going on. Um, we're gonna start with the 2001 XFL Premium Football Cards box. Look for inserts, gridiron memorabilia, authentic autographs, mega foil QB cards, possibly He Hate Me. Could be an autograph. It's Rod Smart. 24 packs in the box. So let's go ahead and get this box cranking, moving, and let's see what we get. I have had the box for a few days. Just decided to delay the video to see what's going on. So let's get this box underway, and we'll see how far we get with it. We'll go until we don't feel like doing any more, and if we feel like doing the whole box, well, we'll do the whole box. So here we go. Box is open. Then again, this is the 2001 XFL Pops or football box by Pops. There's the wrapper. And let's see what the packs look like. I haven't got to see the packs. Here are the packs. So pretty cool there. And let's start. Start over here with pack number 1. Move this over here real quick. Pack number 1 is here. And here we go. I do have pricing pulled up over here, so we'll take a look at that as well. There's a few interesting cards. There's only 100 cards in the set with the checklist. So we'll see if we can get the whole set or not. Key cards, Rod Smart, He Hate Me. Card number 70. There's also a Scott Milanovic card, number 64. Rashawn Salam, number 23. Tommy Maddox, of course, number 26. Mike Fury, number 27. Pat Barnes, number 29. John Avery, number 31. And the first card, Mike Pulaski. Again, there's also some inserts here. And we're looking at the, I believe they were the loaded cannon cards. There's a card here, loaded cannon. We have the Jeff Brom, and there's also a Ryan Clement card that everybody's been talking about. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Again, this is the 2001 XFL box break. Here's the packs. Here we go. Hard to open here. Let's hopefully we can get the pack open. I have to go to the scissors here. There we go. Pack's open. We're ready to go. And the first cards are coming on the way. Cards might be stuck together here, it looks like. Again, I've done some box breaks in the past. Ooh, we got some cool cards. These are nice cards, by the way. Really, really nice cards. Okay, let's see who we get now that we've got everything settled. First card of the day. James Williams. That's card number 42. Next card, we have Locked in Battle, Memphis versus Birmingham, card number 83. Pretty cool card here. Roosevelt Potts, card 69. Nice card. Roosevelt Potts. And here is, this is pretty cool. This is Girls on Fire card. It's like the Rage. Card number 94. TK Girls Fire. Pretty cool. It's like some kind of, it's a pretty neat card. Next up we have, it was a good card right away, Casey Weldon. Next up we have a Hitman Kirby Dardar card. Card number 74. Kirby Dardar. They're really nice cards, by the way. Next up, we have pretty cool, know this guy, Casey Weldon, card number 36. It's Casey Weldon. It's one of the more expensive cards in the set, so we're going to put Casey off to the side. And the last, we got two more cards. Here's another one everyone knows. Right away, we've gotten two of the best cards in the set. Jeff Brom, card number 38. Looks like Casey's worth a little bit more than Jeff Brom, a few pennies more. And the last card is Court McGuffey, Hitman, card number 43. So there is the first pack of 01 Topps XFL cards. We're on to pack number 2. Again, there's 24 packs to get to. Pack number 2, opening up now. And let's see who we get here. We're gonna do this. Let's put the packs over here. Trampled on. Hope you guys can hear me okay. We're testing a new system here, and I'm not sure how we're sounding. So if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. I do apologize. Hopefully this is going well. Pack number 2. Again, autographs, memorabilia, gridiron cards are in the set. Pack number 2, Chris Chukwanu, card number 21. Nice card there. Chris Chukwuma. Locked in Battle, Las Vegas versus New York, card number 80. Locked in Battle, Las Vegas versus New York. It's cool. Shannon Culver, card number 47. Pretty cool. Von Dunbar, here we go, running back. Name everybody knows, or at least I do. Von Dunbar, card number 34. I'll put him over here, even though he's not one of the more expensive cards in the set. I like Von Dunbar. He was a good player. Oh, look who we have coming up. Curtis Alexander. Card number 16, Curtis. And here's this might be the most expensive card of the set already. Card number 26, Tommy Maddox. And I do believe he's tied for the most expensive card in the set with several people. We're going to put that over here. Wow, we're 2 packs in and we've already pulled a Tommy Maddox. That's pretty good. Next up we have Ricky Brady, not Tom Brady, but Ricky Brady from the Outlaws. Card number 22. And again, I'm looking all of these up as I go along. Since I have the pricing up, I do have the extra features to do that now. Before it was... And looky here. Look who we've pulled. Card number 70 in the first pack. He Hate Me, Rod Smart. So we pulled the Tommy Maddox and a He Hate Me, Rod Smart in the first pack. Or second pack, rather. Wow, that is impressive. Oh, man, that is awesome. Well, I guess we should all stop now that we've gotten our money's worth. Pulling the Rod Smart and the Tommy Maddox cards and only the second pack. That's pretty cool. That's really cool for me anyway. I don't know how you guys feel about it, whoever's watching this. Let's see a couple people peeking in earlier. All right, everybody, on to pack 3. Now, most of these cards a few of them will go up for sale. We'll see what we do. I'm going to try and make a set, I think. I'm going to try and complete a set. And I'm going to try and, hopefully, if I can get duplicates. Otherwise, a lot of the cards will be for sale. I'd like to make a complete set to keep for myself. And I'd like to send the others to PSA, possibly. And possibly put some cards up for sale on my store. Sports Cards Austin is the store. First card, third pack, Todd Floyd, card 12. Todd Floyd. Corey, card number 54. Corey Ivy. More expensive cards in the set. We'll put Corey over here. Looky here, right away, second pack. And there it is. There's how we're going to make our set. There's another Tommy Maddox. 3 packs in, 2 Tommy Maddoxes. Wow. This is impressive. Dino Filaw, running back, card number 7. Dino Filaw. Next up, we have our other card number 94, which we did pull earlier. Again, there's only 100 cards in the set, including the checklist, so 99 cards. There's only 79 players in the set. Card number 94 is TKGF. Next card, we have card number 35. Looks like John Williams. Pretty cool. And again, I'm going to try and complete this. I'm going to try and make a complete set before I decide anything else with these cards, before I decide if I'm going to sell or not. What I might do is, if I don't make a complete set, I'll take all my duplicates. I'll sell those, the ones that I have dupes of, and I'll make the complete set, and I'll go and I'll purchase either another box or for you guys so we can check out, or I will buy the cards individually because they're not too expensive. Jermaine Copeland, card number 24. And another one, card number 98 of the girls. This one is actually Jenny. Girls on Fire, Jenny. Girls on Fire, Jenny. Wow, there we go. Card number 98. The most expensive Girls on Fire card is going to be... We're looking for a few. It looks like we're looking for Yoon, Chrissy, Yoon and Chrissy. So those are the 2 that we're looking for. We haven't come across either one of those yet. All right, I hope everybody's day is going good. I hope everybody had a great Christmas and is being safe out there. We're being safe here at Sports Cards Austin. We're ripping away, having fun, opening cards for you guys, and like always. And again, we're lots of fun things are going to happen this year for us here at Sports Cards Austin. There's a lot coming up. Right now, I have so much inventory. It's actually hard for me to keep up, but I'm working on it, and hope to have some really cool things for you guys. So to keep the ball rolling for the new year, first up is Royal Preston, card number 37. And next up, we have another John Williams. We pulled him earlier. And I think... That was card 35. Okay. Next up is Ryan Clement. Here's a guy. Ryan Clement. That looks like card number 50. The backs of some of these cards and numbers are kind of... I don't know if it's the way they were made or not, but Ryan's actually one of the more expensive cards in the set. We did pull a Rod Smart. We've pulled 2 Tommy Maddoxes. Michael Blair. That's card number 58. It's not card 58. Michael Blair, that is card number 53. The numbers on the back are kind of weird on this one, but it's card number 53. Next up, we have offensive tackle Jerry Crafts, card number 78. Jerry. And again, this is the first video with the new audio setup and the new studio setup, if you want to call it a studio. So there might be some kinks to work out. I still have a few things. I'm going to go back and listen to the quality of the video and hopefully get some feedback, and we'll roll from there. Next up is Marcus Crandall, card 77, quarterback. Stephen Fisher, card number 60. And the last card of the pack is Mike Fury, card 27. And he is actually with Tommy Maddox, tied for the most expensive card in the set. So we're going to put him up there. So that's cool. We've pulled the two most expensive cards in the set. I mean, look, let's see, is there another one, or is it just those two? The other guy we haven't pulled, we need to pull is card number 1, Pulaski, and Rashawn Salam. Those are the other expensive cards we're looking for in the set. We pulled the Rod Smart, but we have indeed pulled the two most expensive cards in the set so far. So that's a cool tidbit, cool thing going on. So, next up, next pack. Oh. And again, these cards are slightly stuck together. It's kind of like the old Upper Deck packs. When they've, been sitting for a while, a lot of times they're stuck together, and it does going to make it hard to get some PSA 10s on the ones that I do get graded, but we are going to try nonetheless, because I do feel that PSA is in fact the way to go from now on for me. We pulled Jenny a little while ago. There she is again though. Jenny, that's card number 98. Next up, we're looking for Keith Elias, fullback. Keith Elias, card 71. Brian Robertson, card 79. James Bostic, we pulled him a little while ago. Card number, it's like card 3 for Bostic. There's a Jim Drunkenmiller here. Bostic is one of the more expensive cards in the set, so let's see if I pulled. No, I didn't pull him earlier. I guess that's my first James Bostic. Let me go back through here right quick just to see, but I don't think I pulled. And if I did, I didn't catch it. No, that's actually our first James Bostic, so that's cool. He's one of the more expensive cards in the set. Here is Zola Davis, wide receiver, card number 49. And we've got another Jenny. This one's different. This one's card number 96. Here's Derek Clark, 75. And the last card for the pack is Aaron Bailey, card number 8. Put that in screen for you guys. And on to the next pack. Moving right along here at Sports Cards Austin. Again, we're opening the 2001 Topps XFL, I guess it's a hobby box. I found this just before Christmas. I'd been following the XFL box for a long time, and so I was able to purchase this, and I thought it was pretty cool. Kind of an oddball set to be opening. But to me, it was pretty cool. And here we go again. Here's another Jenny. And since we saw her on the screen there, she is again another Jenny. It's our third one of her we've pulled. So there you go. Here is a Kaipo Aguirre, wide receiver, card number 10. Brian Robertson, card 79. And here's the backs of the cards. Really cool, crisp cards. Here's another Bostic. I'm going to go ahead and put it here because we don't need to see. We've already pulled him. Charles Polari. Charles Polari. Card number 19. One of the more expensive cards in the set. Jenny we've already seen, but we'll put them there. Frank Leatherwood. And the last card is card number 1, the one that we were looking for to start our set, Mike Pulaski. Mike Pulaski. So there's card number 1. And that was one of the cards that we were looking for. So we've gotten a start. He's one of the more expensive cards in the set. Hard time opening some of these packs here. Go. Okay. Here we go. So we got something good here. Again, some of these are stuck together. Pretty cool here. First card is Carla. And Carla is card 97. Next up we have a John Williams, which 35. Next up we have another Ryan Clement card, card number 50, I believe. And he's one of the more expensive cards in the set. Ah, here he is. Old 49ers. Jim Druckenmiller. Pretty cool. Marcus Crandall again. And there we go. Here's our first really good card. Card 77 on Marcus. Here was our loaded cannon card. Who is it? Casey Weldon. 2 of 8. Our first insert. Loaded cannon Casey Weldon card. And let's see. We're looking for the Ryan Clement, but I'll take the Casey Weldon. That's a nice card. I hope I can get this whole set. Go back one more page. Let's go ahead and put Casey down here. Couple more cards. Next one is Marcus Hinton, card 67. And the last card is Daryl Hobbs. Nickel 5s, double nickel. Looks like it was an error. Or a non-error. Okay. Okay, here we go. Moving on. Let's see how many packs we've opened so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're opening 8. On pack number 8. see if we pull maybe another Casey, another Tommy Maddox or another Rod Smart out of this pack. That would be really cool. All right, first pack, another Carla. Just pulled her. Next up, we have Jermaine Copeland. Card number 24. I'm torn. What am I going to do with that one there? Okay. Wendell Davis, card 58. Another Von Dunbar. It's cool. Again, we're going to try and complete the 100 card set, possibly the loaded cannon set as well. There's Toya Jones, card 11. We've already pulled the most expensive cards in the set so far. And we're only on pack number 8. Lon Johnson. He was another one of the expensive cards in the set. Next up we have Corey Ivy. 54. Another one of the expensive cards in the set. More expensive cards in the set anyway. And the last card is Rose. Still looking for Girls on Fire, a couple of cards that we're looking for as we go to pack number 9. For purposes of this video, I think we're only going to go to 10 packs. We're going to open 2 more, then I'll open the rest of the box and come back and let you guys know which autograph we pulled or memorabilia possibly, and if we were in fact able to complete the set. Since I don't want to run the video for a long period of time for those that are watching or not watching. So we're going to open up 2 more packs. We're going to call the day on this video, and I'm going to open the rest of the packs and see what we come across. Okay, second to last pack for the day. First card is James Willis. Card 32. Next up we have Roel Preston. I believe we pulled already. It's good that we're getting a lot of duplicates here, so this is good. Next is another Wendell Davis. Rashaan Salaam. Here's our first Rashaan Salaam, former Heisman Trophy winner. Nice card. Nice card. He's one of the more expensive cards in the set. Jerry Crafts. Card 78. Juan Johnson again. Card number 9. 2 cards left. First one is Tim Lester, card 17. Another one of the more expensive cards in the set. And Rashawn Sheehy, card number 39. All right, last pack. And again, if you've been watching or you're going to tune in later, Rod Smart, He Hate Me, 2 Tommy Maddoxes, Mike Pulaski, Reloaded Cannon, Casey Weldon insert, and we've only opened 9 packs. We're opening the 10th right now. This is our last pack for the evening, and look who it is. Rod Smart on the back, so we will have a Rod Smart to complete our set. So this is cool. Maybe there'll be another Tommy Maddox card in here. That'd be neat. First card out, James Willis. Card 32. Still looking for John Avery, card number 31. Next up, we have Eric England, card 15. The new setup seems to be, the video seems to be a lot clearer. So this is wonderful. Kenshin, card number 88. Kyushin. Thought that was an N, it's a U. It's Kyushin. Look what we've got here. Another Heisman Trophy winner, Rashawn Salam. We just pulled him out of the last pack. Pretty cool. Here is a Charles Polari. Card 19. Just pulled him a few packs back. One of the more expensive cards in the set. I don't know what I did with the other. Couldn't have been too far back. Looks like San Francisco versus Los Angeles. Locked in battle. Card number 82. In fact, it is. Now the loaded locked in battle cards, the only one really that was there's three, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. 3 of the 4 are so in value, and the last one is worth less. Second to last card, Ricky Brady again, not Tom Brady, but Ricky Brady. Card 22. And of course, we showed this to you on the back. Rod Smart, he hate me. Card number 70. Okay, and that is going to do it for now. There's 8 cards per pack if anybody's interested. Okay, so that was going to do it for now. We're going to go ahead and open the rest of the box here in a few minutes. I'm going to see what all we get, come back with a video for you live, let you guys know if we were able to complete the 100 card set from what we have here, or are we going to possibly buy another box of these, or just purchase the cards individually, and then be looking for a few of these to go up for sale soon in our store, Sports Cards Austin on eBay. Find us on Facebook, which is where this video is now. Sports Cards Austin here. If you're tuning in, welcome. And also Sports JP on Twitter. And yeah, if you like what you see, let me know in the comments. We'll try and find some more boxes to open for you guys. Always looking for fun and exciting things to rip open. And so that's going to do it. Hope you guys have a great evening. And until next time, we'll see if we were able to complete the set. Have a good night.